Hello guys, I am Anastasia, professional Russian language teacher, and today I will help you how to be prepared for your first date with Russian girl. The key for success is politeness and kindness. It's so obviously, but this is true. Some men forget about this. Maybe I see this more from Russian men, like, when they come kind of tired after work. Be respectful to the girl who you came to the date, and also to the waiters and everyone around you, all the people who you will meet this day. Don't talk bad about the people. Sometimes people say, just be yourself. Yeah, you can be yourself, but better be yourself in some dates. When you already will have a connection with this girl and you can be really yourself, you can maybe show even your negative sides, but better first date don't do this, because your second date cannot happen. Be polite and kind. Don't say bad about the people around you or people in your life. And this is already the next point. Be positive. Don't say negative things again about politics, about money, about life, problems with your family, childhood. Don't say about this. My opinion, don't speak about your exes. Some girls maybe will ask you about your life in the past. Just my opinion, I don't love to speak about this at all, never. I think it's already in the past. You already understood what you did wrong, and now you just continue your life. Because don't forget, everything what you say now about your exes, she will remember for a long time. And if you already started speaking about your relationship, better don't speak bad about your ex-girlfriends. She was so bad, because of her we broke up. No, don't say this. I just say, we understood that we have different goals, we are different people, and that's all. Because if you will speak about her too much, she will think, maybe you're still in love with her. Don't ask her questions like when you broke up with your boyfriend, when you had relationship, when you broke up with your boyfriend, why you broke up. You can maybe discuss it if you want a bit later. Also, say the compliments. Russian women aren't used to hear so much kind words like you do. I mean, Russian men do the compliments, but usually they are more close people, and for us it's really good to hear something good about our beauty, about our talents, kindness, smile, and so on. But also don't forget that we are not used to so many compliments and too much also will be bad. So something like in the middle, and she maybe will not believe you, like, why he tried to say too much good things. Anyway, just feel the girl, how she reacts to this. If she smile after your compliments, that's a good point. Ask her the questions. We are all love to speak about ourselves, and it's a secret how to make people like us, because we are all love to speak about ourselves. So if you will ask her the questions, she will feel herself special, like you're interested in her personality, and it will be good for you. We are all love attention. And if you're interested in learning Russian language, if you want to find Russian girlfriend, Russian wife, and if you want to speak Russian already in some months, I will wait for you in my classes. You can book the first class in description to this video. I want to tell you that I created a Telegram channel. I will post there just short stories about my life in Russian, that you could practice your Russian skills. Wish you good luck with your dates, and wish you a lot of love, and see you soon.